How to make a Mexican sunrise.
G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here again for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. And if you haven't signed up to become my drink buddy, head over to the website and do that now. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. This here is the Mexican sunrise. It's a bit like a tequila sunrise, but in a beer. And this is how to make it.
For this, you'll need 1 Corona, 1 ounce of tequila, 3 ounces of orange juice, and some Grenadine. Empty your Corona to about the top of the label, then add in your tequila, orange juice, and then Grenadine. And garnish with a lime.
And there you have it, the Mexican sunrise, a perfect afternoon, hot summer's day drink. And if you want more cocktails like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Now get out there and enjoy yourself. Don't destroy yourself. Cheers.